Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Fiza Ahmed. I am student of BTS first year. So today my topic is the trigeminal nerve, which is the cranial nerve number 5. And there are three divisions of the trigeminal nerve: the ophthalmic nerve, maxillary nerve, and the mandibular nerve. And the first two divisions of the trigeminal nerve are the purely sensory divisions, and the third division is the mixed nerve, which contain both mixed motor and the sensory fibers. So now I will explain the course of the trigeminal nerve and its division in detail. So here is the brain stem, and there are three parts of the brain stem: the midbrain, then pons, and the medulla oblongata. I will mention their name here. The nucleus of the trigeminal nerve is present in the pons, the middle part of the brain stem, and there are two divisions of the trigeminal nerve. The first one is the sensory division, and the second one is the motor division. And as the sensory division of the trigeminal nerve move forward, it will give rise to the trigeminal ganglion, which is the collection of the cell bodies, and this is known as the trigeminal ganglion. And we call this as the ganglion because it lies outside the central nervous system. And from the trigeminal ganglion will arise the three divisions of the trigeminal nerve, and these are: the first one is the ophthalmic division, the second one is the maxillary division, and the third one is the mandibular division. As I just told you that the mandibular division of the trigeminal nerve is the mixed nerve because the motor root of this nerve will accompany the sensory root, so the motor and the sensory fiber mix together here, so it is regarded as the mixed nerve. And through the foramen ovale, the mandibular nerve will leave the skull. Now let's move toward the first two division of the trigeminal nerve, the ophthalmic and the maxillary. These two nerves will move forward and enter the middle cranial fossa, and within the middle cranial fossa is the presence of the cavernous sinus. And the two most important contents of lateral wall of the cavernous sinus are the ophthalmic division of the trigeminal nerve and the maxillary division of the trigeminal nerve. So these two divisions will enter the cavernous sinus and leave this sinus through the lateral wall of the cavernous sinus. And in this video I will just tell about the ophthalmic division of the trigeminal nerve and its further division. So the first division of the trigeminal nerve will enter the orbital cavity by passing through the superior orbital fissure. Before entering the superior orbital fissure and after leaving the cavernous sinus, this trigeminal nerve will also give rise to the further three divisions. These are the frontal nerve, the nasociliary nerve, and the lacrimal nerve. Then these branches enter the superior orbital fissure and enter the orbital cavity, and after entering the orbital cavity, these three divisions of the ophthalmic division of the trigeminal nerve will further divided into the more divisions, and these are the supraorbital and supratrochlear branch of the frontal nerve, and the four branches of the nasociliary nerve, which are the anterior ethmoidal nerve, posterior ethmoidal nerve, long nasociliary nerve, and the intratrochlear nerve. And the lacrimal nerve of the ophthalmic division of the trigeminal nerve will give supply to the lacrimal apparatus of the orbit. So here we are done with the ophthalmic division of the trigeminal nerve. Thank you so much.